I'm here with Micaela Santos, and it's your ano birthday? 18th birthday, 16th birthday?
17th. Nung May 27.
May 27. Okay. So, how does it feel to be 70? Hindi ka na sweet 16.
Yeah, I'm getting older po. And
but wiser.
Yeah, older but wiser. And I hope 17 treats me well.
Yeah. So far, you're part of Pamilya Sagrado, and I think you have a good role here.
Yes.
Can you tell us ano yung role mo sa Pamilya Sagrado?
Actually po, this is also my first ever project with ABS-CBN.
Oh, talaga? Wow, congrats.
Yung role ko po, Danica Sagrado. She's a medyo complicated character, but she's very caring as well, and she just wants the best for herself.
So bakit siya complicated?
Like her family. She grew up sa mahirap, and her mom died po. Kaya hinahanap niya lang po yung pamilya niya. And I can spoil that.
Wala. So, sino yung mga other kapamilya mo dito? I mean, yung kamag-anak mo sa cast?
Ayoko pong i-spoil, pero yung masasabi ko lang is sagrado din ako. So, Danica Sagrado. Pero yung mom ko yung hindi sagrado.
So, maraming complicated setup pala dito sa family na to.
Yung family tree ng lahat actually, medyo complicated din.
So, may second family, di ba?
Yes.
May mga orphan. So, nakaka-relate ka ba doon sa ganong scenario in real life, or okay naman yung family mo in real life?
Okay naman. I grew up with a very loving family. I'm very grateful for that.
So, how were you able to get into this role na parang broken family or something?
Actually po, I got the role all because of my manager, si Tito Randall po. I'm very grateful for him because actually, wala po akong prior acting experience.
Ganon?
Yes po. Nakuha lang ako. Because I also met si Tito Deo po. And yeah, I met with Ma'am Cory and Tito Deo.
Pero you did acting lessons naman or acting classes?
Wala po. I started lang po with commercials. That's how I was found.
What commercial ba? Yung na sumikat ka?
Hindi ko nga po alam eh. Pero probably yung with Bel Mariano po. Dun sa PHK. I did one with.
Wow. And then, so this is your first ever big project sa ABS? Wala kang other
first ever
project?
Yeah.
So are you with Star Magic na ba? Or...
Hindi po. I'm independent. Just with Tito Randall lang talaga.
Oh, that's good. So you can also join other projects in other networks or whatever, di ba? So parang freelance ka ngayon?
Yes po. Kasi I'm also studying. And sinasabi po nila na I should prioritize it. Kaya I'm not looking to get into Star Magic yet. Pero I'm not sure. Maybe in the future. Baka gusto ko.
So, meron pa ba iba sa cast na katulad mo na freelance or walang management contract pa? Or you're not sure?
I'm not sure. I haven't met any.
You're not. Sino yung pinaka naging friend mo so far sa cast?
Pinaka naging friend?
Or naging ka-close or something?
Actually, I'm not close with much kasi nga yung age gap. Pero I get along
because
well
most of them are above 20, parang gano'n. So you're like the bunso talaga of the whole group?
Langong bunso. But I get along well with Ate Aliana.
Okay. So invite people nga to watch your first ever project.
Abangan niyo po yung Pamilya Sagrado. I'm sure you guys would love the storyline, love all the dramatic scenes, and especially all the actors here po.
So ang galing, no? Hindi pa siya nag-acting lessons, pero nakapasok siya. Nag-workshop ka?
With Tita Angie.
Wow. So happy birthday, happy birthday. Wala ka bang YouTube channel or ano yung mga socials mo pala?
Yung Instagram handle ko po, Micaela Francesca. Yung Francesca is spelled F-R-A-N-C-S-K-A. Tapos yung TikTok ko po, it's actually yung real name ko po is Micael. Stage name ko po is Micaela. So yung TikTok ko po, it's my name backwards. It's L-L-E-A-C-I-M. Leasim.
Asan kayong pinakamaraming followers sa mga social media? Which one? Facebook,
Probably
Instagram,
Instagram. Pero it's not a lot here.
Okay lang. Pagka-start na ng teleserye, dadami yan.
Ito po yung Instagram.
Yeah. Sige, follow her guys and I wish her well. She's the youngest. Yan. Sarap talaga pagkasama ng mga young people, you feel young also. Yan. Happy birthday and Pamilya Sagrado on June 17, no?
Yes, watch out. Check it out.
Nice to
It's gonna
meet
be a
you.
good show.
And saan mo subscribe to Happy Rich TV?
Happy Rich TV. Subscribe po kayo sa Happy Rich TV.
Yan, happy din siya.
Yes.